is part 2.5 of my development diary of my retro game platformer Lethargic Lecture. Now, I haven't given this update a full decimal number. I've jumped from 0.2 to 0.25 because the updates in this build aren't really major. Looking at my version control, my planning here, I've only done a couple of things. I've updated the user interface, added an array for level names, and added a global high score. So we'll have a quick look behind the scenes and see what's going on. So the game's going through the demo mode, and you can see here that I've changed the UI. I've just basically spaced it a wee bit better. It's still not there, but it's a minor change. You can also see that the level there, before it said 1 and 2, now it actually pulls in the names of the level, and they're in an array, which is a list with all the level names in there. And the idea is that each level will have a different name. There's a bug in it. This is level 1 and now a level 2, level 3, and the name of the level isn't updating, but we can see it pulling across that information. If we have a look behind the scenes, here's the array. I've created it as a script, and what I'm doing here is planning out what each of my rooms are called. This is very likely to change, but this is in keeping with the theme of the game, which is you're at a school or a college, so each level corresponds with a department or an area in that school and college. So I've got the reception, the mailroom, reprographics, that kind of thing. The idea behind the game is as you progress through different levels, the graphics will change accordingly. So in the library, there'll be bookshelves and man-eating books. In plumbing, we'll have drips and taps and that kind of thing, so on and so forth. So I've started setting that up. I've also created some global variables. Not a big fan of using global variables, but these are ones that I'm going to open up. And all I've done in there is stick a high score in there, what level you're on, and some music changes. This is an ongoing development, so it may change as I go on. But that's it. Minor update. So instead of jumping from 0.2 to 0.3, the minor updates, I've just updated an increment from 0.2 to 0.25. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.